Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to go over what I normally carry with me in my travel bag. So when I'm traveling or want to just have a grab and go bag to do something quickly, this is what I bring, and I just figured I would show you what I put in here. Everything I'm going to show you, I will put a link in the comments, or sorry, in the description to Amazon. I do get a small affiliate payout, I guess you call it, from Amazon for those links, but it will also have the full name of the item. So if you don't want to click the link and do the affiliate program, that's fine. You can just search for the item straight on Amazon too. But let me show you. So first of all, I have these waterproof bags, or water resistant, I should say, bags. They do get kind of worn out over time, but they work really well. They came in a pack with all different sizes, and they all nest inside each other, which is really nice. So that's what I use for all of my project stuff. So this is my big bag to carry everything in. Then I have this little silicone cup, and it's really just a drinking cup that you have for camping, but it opens up and it's perfect to have on my table to throw threads or little scraps, any trash in. So I use this as my trash barrel. But the nice part is that it goes completely flat when you're done using it. Of course, now it doesn't want to work right. And you can cover it and it slides right into the bag nice and flat. So that's why I really like those. So that's my trash barrel. Then I have a bag of thread. So I got all the thread add-on for the Queen of Diamonds, so it gave me a good variety of threads. So I have a variety of colors in here. I actually have more threads than fit in this bag, but when I'm traveling, the projects that I have in this bag, I just try to make sure I have the matching threads at least in this, so I will swap them out depending on what projects are in this bag. But that carries about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14 different colors, so that's plenty to choose from when I'm traveling. Then I have reader glasses. I don't wear contacts or glasses, but the readers do help me when I'm sewing. So I wanted something, again, that would fold up small and fit in my travel bag. I have a few of these hanging around, but these ones stay in my travel bag. So you can see they actually telescope and then fold in half and fit right in this little box that fits right in my travel bag. And this little magnetic tin. So this was given to me by my daughter for Christmas, and it's actually perfect for holding my Sewtites in. It's magnetic, so or it's metal, I should say, so these stay right in here and don't slide out or slide around or anything. And it's a perfect size to keep in the travel bag. Then I have my tool bag. So this has all my little odds and ends all in this little bag. So first up, we have a magnetic needle holder. So this is great when you're traveling. If you're doing sewing in the car or whatever, your needles aren't going to bounce all over the place, and it gives you a spot to put your needle down, so you're not sticking it in the actual quilt or on the side or bouncing around or anything, so it sticks right there. This is actually broken. It's supposed to have a hinge that opens like this. I kind of like it broken because then I can compact it even more and just do that, and I just keep it closed when I'm not using it so the needles don't accidentally get bumped and fall out. And I use Tulip, I believe is the brand, Big Eye needles. Again, I'll link to that in the description, but Tulip Big Eye needles, which I think work really well. So that's my needle holder. Then I use little scissors. These are for trimming my threads and everything. This is actually given to me by my father-in-law, and it's just little cuticle scissors out of a nail kit. This is just a microfiber for my glasses that I keep in there. My Sewline glue basting kit, pen. Usually when I travel, I don't glue baste, but I do like to keep my glue based pen in the kit just because if an edge comes up a little or something as I'm sewing, then I have it there available. So, oh yeah, here's my needle. So I keep my extra needles in there too, just to keep it all together. So Tulip number 10 Big Eye needles is what they are. So those are just my extras. Then I have a couple of extra glues just in case I run out, and I have more glues in another bag. I keep them actually in a separate bag that I use for basting. I don't travel with it, but I just keep a couple in here just to have them in here. I keep a few of my clips, my Wonder clips. I do tend to use my magnets more than my clips, but I like to keep a couple in here in case I decide to use them. And then a needle threader. This was given as a gift on one of the months from Queen of Diamonds. I actually don't really use it, but sometimes it might come in handy. Oh, it has actually a thread trimmer on it too. So that would be good if you're going on a plane. You could just bring this and not the scissors, and you would have a thread trimmer, which is good. Didn't even notice that before. So Wonder clips, and then this. So those all fit in the little bag. Like I said, the pack comes with all different sizes, which is pretty nice. And then inside of here, I have like my Queen of Diamonds pattern. So that's the one that I'm currently working on. So that's in here. If I was working on a different pattern, I would have that in here as well. And then I have my actual individual bags for each block that I'm doing. So I have my Queen of Diamonds. I have to do sashing. So I have my little triangles with their sashing strips in there. And I have 3 or 4 of them stacked up just because it's easy enough to carry. They're already sewn together. I just have to get the sashing on. So those are in there as a project that I can do. This one was a project I just finished, so it's empty. And then I have my Cherish. A couple of these are my Cherish because that's the next thing I'm trying to work on. So I just have all of the individual pieces for each block in a bag. I try not to mix the blocks in the bags. I give each block its own bag, so that's easy when I'm traveling to just pull one out and work on that individual block. So I try to have like 3 or 4 blocks in each in here at all times so that I have a few items to work on. Next I will be making up the Queen of Diamonds month 10 too, so that'll go in that empty bag and slide right in here for me to take with me, either traveling in the car or if I'm going to a Stitch and Bitch. It's just easy to grab this and not my whole entire English paper piecing bin. I have a whole bin that has a bunch of different projects in it, and so it's just easier to just grab this. So that is my travel kit. So hopefully this video gave you some ideas on how to put together your own travel kit. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And like I said, I will put the links in the description, but they are affiliate links from Amazon. So what that means is if you click it, I do get a couple of cents if you end up buying something, but I will have the full name of the item as well. So if you don't want to click the links and just want to go searching for it on yourself, you certainly can do that. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as I do post videos sporadically, and you'll get alerted by YouTube when I post a new one if you subscribe. Bye everybody.